Usually, when we see dynamic lights in the sky, we immediately think of fireworks. But the newest light shows are with drones, perfectly programmed to create incredible air shows. The time, effort, and detail that go into these shows are the focus of today's story. I'm Cooper Hanneman with Eagle Eye Media. Check out the drone show setup at Valor, centered around a 7-year-old girl for Wish Week.
When we first arrive on site, we take all of the equipment out of the truck and we line up the grid first. And it is a grid that holds 10 drones by 10 drones. And each square a drone gets is 3 foot by 3 foot. And so we line that up so that the heading of the show will actually face the audience.
Right now, we're just kind of going through our checklist, make sure everything's safe. We always fly 4 corners first, make sure we're going to clear light poles, make sure our batteries are great, make sure we're staying in the operational space, and most importantly, making sure that we're giving the audience the best possible views.
There's an immense amount of work that goes into this show and can take up to 2 to 3 hours just for the setup, only for a 10 to 12 minute show. However, this 10 to 12 minute show will capture the eyes of the audience and keep them wanting more. This show is truly special and a one-of-one. And now that all is set up, it is ready to start.
At that point, we just do a countdown of 90 seconds. Once that happens, the show's pretty much going to happen, and then the drones will power all up, light all up. The show just begins, and whatever animations are programmed into each drone and each path that each drone gets, it will just carry those functions out. They're like little soldiers that just follow their duties. Oh yeah, I think it's a blast. I think the best part, you put all this work in, you animate that word for 4 hours straight, and you make that V for 4 hours straight, and then you're just like, wow, this is super tedious. But then you get to watch people watch it, and there's one thing to watch it on a YouTube or TV. It's just not the same as when you see it in person and you see the coordination of all those drones doing it perfectly. Like, it's just truly amazing. So it really makes it worth it in the end, especially when you have a show like this for a little girl who's sick and you can give her 12 minutes of her life without thinking about being sick, and she can just enjoy a show built specifically to her. Then yes, it's totally worth it.
This was the first year Valor has partnered with Bright Flight drone shows. After much success, we are hoping it's a new tradition for Valor Wish Week. I'm Cooper Hanneman, Eagle Eye Media.